Yeah, man.
All right, Sir Williams. Another tough game here, and it didn't go Tivoli way. Where do you think it went wrong here this afternoon?
I think we had a poor first half. We weren't defending the wide areas properly, and we were punished 2 times from the wide areas. We made the adjustment in the second half. I think the boys themselves well and give a good approach and played a decent 45 for the second half. I mean, no, we did well going forward. What we weren't doing well was defending the wide areas and particularly Waterhouse positions twice in the first half. Those were the games that we made adjustments and stopped those gaps and really push forward and even going a man down. We also did well in terms of playing on the end of the game.
We went up back-to-back games against the top teams in the league. Obviously, you got one against Mount Pleasant, but didn't get one against Waterhouse. Considering the flash of play in the last 2 games, what do you see in terms of your team now at this stage of the season, 9 games?
I mean, we have been playing some decent football. If you look at the results, even the games that we have lost, they're by a wide margin. So we know that we have the quality. And 9 games in, the team is gelling. Of course, you know that we lost 12 players that were building the team around at the start of the season. So we are trying to put back a team, and we recruited young Warner Brown, and he's doing a good job so far. The rest of the team definitely gelling around the adjustment that we have made in terms of upfront, replacing Elijah and Levi Drake.
The technical director said he would be gladly handing back the game to you. He doesn't like this because he said he doesn't like the song, but how is it good to be back after 2 games and that experience?
I mean, this is what I love. It's a good feeling to be back. I said about the technical director and the replace in terms of one on the team, and it's a good combination. Myself and Admiral, and definitely we do good on our job.
That's put the in terms of the referee behind